Dynamic Currency Conversion (DCC) lets you offer customers the option of paying in their home currency. As with any sales transaction, you begin by entering the sale amount from the home screen. When your customer presents their card, the terminal tells you if the transaction is eligible for DCC. If so, ask the customer how they would like to pay. Press the yellow button if they want to choose your local currency. Confirm customer's choice. However, if the customer confirms that they prefer to pay in their home currency, press the green button. For chip and PIN transactions, hand the terminal to the customer and ask them to enter their PIN. Wait a few seconds for authorization, then the receipt is printed automatically. And ask if the customer wants a copy of the receipt. If yes, press Enter again. If not, press Clear. Tear off the receipt and give it to the customer, making sure they also get their card back. If the terminal requests signature verification, ask the customer to add a signature. Each DCC receipt shows the amount in both the local and cardholder's currency and the exchange rate and markup. Funds are settled in your local currency, and monthly reports show your DCC rebate. It's simple and transparent, and customers really appreciate the choice.